to Leafy and Cherish, and today this is my new alarm board. Here we have the Simplex T-Bar, the Notify BG12, the Fire Bell that I got for Christmas. I think you've seen this before. This one you've seen multiple times, the circuit board. This is the EST Fire Alarm Pole Station doorbell. This is the normal doorbell. This is a fidget spinner, and this is another fire alarm bell. Here's the Simplex T-Bar. Here's the Notify BG12. Here's the doorbell. Here's this one again. Here's the lights. And here's, for the last one, is the bell. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share.